Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Hey Wicked family, awesome that you're tuning in. So in today's video we are going to talk about the RetroFlag, the controllers, and no, I didn't have a little peek inside. The SuperPi case. Yes, this is the new improved edition with storage cartridge included. So in other words, comes with a very nice, cute little cartridge. I just want to point out they send me these products to sample, for example, free quiz, you know. And I just wanted to say it doesn't influence my personal opinion. Just wanted to be honest with you. And free goodies is always helpful to the channel and helpful to me. But again, it doesn't influence my personal opinion. So we're going to check out the two versions of this video, and we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing together. Just stay tuned, grab yourself something to drink, and let's see what we're going to get. So if you're interested, we're going to check out this version first. Alright, so let's see what we're going to get. I'm just very curious how is this thing feeling. I'm very happy always with the previous models of RetroFlag under these very nice boxes. Alright, let's see what we have in here. USB connection, of course. See, and this is something that I find like a freaking miracle, or it's like freaking magic. The controllers feel so nice. We're going to remove the plastic because I want to feel the buttons. Wow, this feels like an original legit controller. So yes, I'm going to put it back on. Yeah. So this is the controller. It's just great. I cannot believe it, that is feeling so great. I have reviewed a lot of controllers, but this RetroFlag stuff is really great. Alright, so let's see what we're going to get with this. It comes with the toilet paper manual, basic instructions. This is the way how you need to connect it, and I'm guessing it's also for the quick shutdown. Or is there something in this? Let's see what we're having here. Yeah, here it says the safe shutdown. So basically the safe shutdown, for the people who don't know what it is, you can turn it on and off, and if you, let's say, switch off your system, it safely shuts down the software RetroPie. So if you don't ruin your system. So let's see what we're going to get inside. This is, so far I understand, only for the Raspberry Pi 3B. I don't know if they're going to do an upgrade for the Raspberry Pi 4. Please remove the SD card before installing the Raspberry Pi. Yeah, they even leave a note like this. Details, people, details. Right, we have this little cover that needs to be here. It comes with a little cartridge. I think it's really cool. It's just basically storage space, so it's really, yeah, useless. It doesn't do anything with the casing, but that is why they call it details, people. I like it. It even comes with some screws you're going to need. Some little pads, I'm guessing this for, yeah, beneath when you're screwing it together, and the screwdriver itself. So like the previous models I did a review about, I like it. RetroFlag do these casing that are from high quality, great molds, and if you're putting it together, you're having this awesome casing. So there's also a possibility to add the fan if you want to have some extra cooling. So it's really great that they have this option. I'm guessing you need to buy separately because there is no fan inside. Alright, we're not going to fit anything inside. We're going to check out the other versions. We'll put it over there. Alright, let's grab the other one over there. Okay, so this is the American edition. I think those, sorry guys, but I really think those consoles are looking pretty horrible. Let's see what we're having here. Oh, for the people who like the sound. Just needed to do it. Let's see what we're having here. And again, like the other version, what I think is really cool. There's a little bit of detail, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but these have the hollow buttons. So compared with the other version, as you can see here side by side, they have the style. This is of, let's say, the PAL region, and this is of the EU American region. Again, it feels fantastic. It feels like a legit control from Nintendo. If I'm closing my eyes now, you can't see it, but I'm doing it. And here comes the most important thing. See, that is disappointing. No chemical plastic. Or is it good? And basically, it's a good thing that it's not chemical plastic. But the feel of this thing, I can play with this all day, thinking I have an original Nintendo controller. All right, so let's take a close look at the casing itself. All right, and let's see where we're going to get with this. Get over here. Comes with the same manual. So if you skipped, you didn't see my explanation about the previous one, that means you're naughty. Alright, so there's nothing else in it. So the first thing I'm noticing with this thing, it's quite heavy. So for the casing itself, there is no pie in it, it's quite heavy. Here you can, here's the valve that needs to open somehow. Let's see if it opens now. Oh wait, though it works like this, or ah, yeah, there it is. How does this work? It's very stiff. Or do I need to move it or some way? I don't know what this is, but needs. Oh wait, I think it needs to be something like this, or I know what's up with this, but nevertheless, going back to this one. See, this opens up perfectly. Ta-da! All right, but nevertheless, you get the idea. So I have this same paper over here, and this tiny cartridge, screwdriver, all the same stuff. All right. Alright, let's take a close look at these cartridges, because I'm very curious what are we going to get. It's basically the same stuff like the previous model. We're going to put a Raspberry Pi in it, how it's going to look. So, man, my table is a mess. It's one big freaking mess. Alright, so we're going to take a close look at the cartridge, how it works. I did notice that sometimes this valve didn't open. Of course, now I'm making this video. Ah, here it is. But okay, the cartridge itself. I did check the manual. First of all, I was thinking, before I even did an unboxing, I was thinking, oh cool, you can put it in, you can stick it in, and that's it. But no, that is not the way how you wanted to do this. So what you're basically going to do is you're going to unwrap, or there needs to be a piece of tape over here. You're going to need to tape it on here. That put the magnet here on position. And the fun fact is, I'm just going to do it like this, and it's sitting on the casing itself. So it's not, I will get the idea. So if you open it up, it will get open, and you can go to the SD card. I understand it. It's a fun addition. It's not something you're thinking, oh, I need to have this. It's just a little extra that you're going to get from them. So the idea behind it's pretty cool. You have some different labels on it that you can stick on this little cartridge, so that looks pretty cool. Maybe in the future you can make your own, so that is freaking funny, to be honest. So this is the cartridge. It looks cool. Okay, let's put this all together. Oh, of course my freaking cable is between the two shells. So the idea behind it, I think it's pretty cool. It sits on your desk like this, yeah. So okay, that's not like it should be. Ah, goes a little bit slower, but it works. Alright, so it's time for the Raspberry Pi number 3, yes, not number 4. I just wanted to show you how you need to put it in this casing and how easy it goes. It's just basically plug and play. You use the 4 screws that come with the casing itself, and it fits like a charm. You of course add the USB connections and put the connector on it, and everything is set to go. I think it's pretty cool, and I think it's very easy to do, and everybody can do this. Yeah, and even can use this little fan that you need to put over here. I'm guessing you need to remove this PCB board for getting over there, otherwise you cannot screw the 4 sparkers in for assembling the fan. But again, there is no fan. No, there is no fan. Alright, so for the final conclusion regarding the SuperPi case or this complete set. So let's talk about the controller. I need to talk about it again because I am so satisfied about this controller. It feels quite heavy. It feels like a real quality controller. Let's listen to the buttons. You can hear it. Quality controller. Even if you just want to buy the controller, I think it's a green light for this one. I like it. Very long USB cable. So this is what you're going to get with the controllers. So the casing, like the previous models, high quality non-chemical plastic. It looks very nice. And the extra feature of the little cartridge, I think is a cool addition. I think it looks really cute. I don't know if they are going to sell the cartridge loose. So if you, for example, you have already a SuperPi case and you want to have this cartridge, I don't know for sure. But it's not something you're saying, oh, I really need to have this because it gives this extra feature. No, not at all. So this is what you're going to get. It's a great case. I'm guessing they are going to make cases for the Raspberry Pi 4 in the future, or how are you going to do it? So far I understand this is only for Raspberry Pi 3 at the moment. So but nevertheless, this is what you're going to get, people. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell for more awesome Wicked content. If you have any questions, you can always leave it in the comments. And for gaming, don't forget to check out the gaming channel. See you next time.